On today's menu we have Korean-style fried chicken. Hello fellow chefs, this is Zainab Ali. Welcome to Dish Out. Here I try to recreate and improvise recipes while reserving the authentic taste of the dish. Make sure to subscribe if you're new and don't forget to like, comment and share if this recipe was good enough for your taste buds. Over cut up chicken, squeeze some lemon juice. Drizzle a dash of salt. And incorporate it into the red masala. Pour in some corn slurry and mix well. Fry the chicken. In a wok, heat oil and add the leftover red masala. Put in dark soy sauce. And sesame seeds. Place in the chicken and sauté.